Hey, what's up guys? After the success of Samsung Galaxy M30, Samsung is soon launching Samsung Galaxy M30S, the enhanced version of M30. So we have received the leaked renders of Samsung Galaxy M30S and it looks really fabulous. We still don't know when the Samsung will reveal all the details of this M30S, but everything suggests that the IFA in Berlin could be a good date. The company presented by surprise the Samsung Galaxy A50 and A30 at the MWC in Barcelona, something that could be repeated in Berlin with this model of Galaxy M series. As shown in the pictures, the body is in one piece and its frame seems to be very rounded. It will have a fingerprint sensor on the back and a triple camera module. This module design has been in leaks on its cover, so it seems to be almost confirmed. The triple rear camera will have a main sensor of 48 megapixel, so its photographic quality will be one of the strong points. The most expected features of this smartphone are: this smartphone will be powered by Samsung Exynos 9 octa-core processor coupled with 4GB and 6GB of RAM. It will have a display of 6.4 inch, which is a Super AMOLED display that gives our users an immersive display experience. The camera will be a triple rear camera where it will have a 48 megapixel primary sensor plus 8 MP of wide angle lens plus 5 MP of depth sensor, and for the selfies it will have and 16 MP of front selfie camera. The battery is a huge 6000 mAh battery with a fast charging support. So this phone may come with a 15 watt charger or even a 20 watt charger. So these are the most expected specification of Samsung Galaxy M30s, and it will be priced around $280 in the international market and 18,000 Indian rupees. So the release date is not yet confirmed, but we are expecting that it will be launched in the IFA event in Berlin. So this is all about the Galaxy M30s. What do you feel about the Samsung Galaxy M30s? Please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.